Today I had an aha moment as I was working through the diads, working through the A major diads. So particularly the thirds. So here's the root and the major third. And I was working through just playing through the root and the third of the 4 and 5 chords. I remembered a lesson that I had a number of years ago on double stops, and at the time the theory was far beyond me. I really was ignorant of the theory for the most part, and so there were just patterns, to be memorized. But now I see the theory behind the double stops. I thought it was really cool for that light bulb to go off today. So here we have we're talking about the key of A major. So the chords in that key, so we've got A major, and the 2 and the 3, so we got, I think it's B minor, and then a C sharp minor. Then we go to the 4, which is D, 5 is E, 6 is F sharp minor, then the 7, what is it? I may have missed the chord name in there, but I think that's generally the chords there. Could have made a mistake in that. But the theory behind that is for each of those chords, the double stops that go along with them. So the one chord, here's the A and the major third. If we go over to the 4, it's because that's a major chord in this key. There's a double stop, which is the 4 and the major third for the 4. Then to the 5, the same thing. Then we go down to the 6th, and since that's a minor chord, it's a minor third. The same for the 7th, and then back to the root. And as you go into the 2nd and 3rd, those are minors as well. And it follows the scale, with the whole step, half step for the major scale. So that's what I wanted to capture. It was really neat to really understand the theory behind that. To me, it was a major step in opening up the fretboard to me to understand that. And I think that one benefit of understanding that theory is you start to break away from just memorizing meaningless patterns. You understand what you're doing and not just the patterns behind it. And you can hear that resolve back to the root in its third. There again we have the 1 and its major third, the 4 and its major third, the 5 and its major third, and back to the 1. All sorts of neat stuff you can do with that. So that, like I said, to me that was really cool to have that aha moment and get the understanding of the scale, the chords, and the single notes within the scale and how it all fit together and tied into the double stops.